Manufacturing business opportunities in steel and steel products. With users in everything from manufacturing and transportation to building and infrastructure, steel is one of the most widely utilized commodities in the world. Thus, the steel sector is crucial to the development of the world economy. According to research, worldwide steel market is anticipated to increase at a compound annual growth rate (CAGR) of 2.6% between 2020 and 2025, reaching $1.01 trillion. If you're an entrepreneur looking to break into the steel and steel products market, this expansion offers a ton of potential. We, at Npcs, endeavor to make business selection a simple and convenient step for any entrepreneur, startup. By capitalizing on its dexterity and decade-long experience in the field, our expert team has created a list of profitable ventures for entrepreneurs who wish to diversify or venture.